think about it so far. What would you do for anybody who's been a parent can relate to that? Would you die for your child?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
A psychologically
I'm gonna play
tortured
one of my
defendant, a
games.
town asking for his release. The case against Aaron Vargas is turning
play
into a public
Subway
relations
Surfers.
nightmare for the prosecution.
What did you think about how the community took a turn toward Aaron Vargas in this situation?
Girl, I'm gonna do different games and I'm
And
gonna
to keep going forward
do
because
dances and
we know legally what we have to do.
And there's an even bigger problem. Some members of Daryl's own family seem to support Aaron Vargas. In this letter to the district attorney, even the widow who witnessed the execution asked for the case to be settled.
She misses her husband, and she is not happy that he's not around, though she understands how it all played out. She thinks the most important thing for Aaron would be to get counseling and then try and make a happy life for himself.
Were you surprised when people with the name McNeil and who were related to Daryl McNeil came forward and said, I know what he did, I know why Aaron did this, I support Aaron?
I wasn't surprised by that. I assumed that's what would happen from the beginning.
Why?
Because I know how well they know Aaron. Aaron grew up around them.
What do you think's going to happen?
I'm hoping that we get a jury that we can educate on all these psychological issues. A jury that's compassionate, that doesn't just see these issues in black and white. And I'm hoping that they'll see that the right thing to do is to let Aaron get help.
What is right in this situation? What is the right thing to do here?
Aaron needs to be home. He needs to be in counseling. He needs to be with his family. He doesn't need to be locked up. It's not his fault.
But how would a jury see Aaron? As a father desperate to protect his family from the nightmare he endured? Or as a calculating killer who took things too far? Stay with us.
I don't know. It might. He probably ain't want that dream to come true because he loves his family. I didn't go on fast. This is the first video.
Say goodbye to distractions. Now you can last longer with the K-Line Duration Spray.
I love you, Julius Caesar, but sometimes Febreze Car Bed Spray. Orders for up to 30 days. Because the things you love can stink.
No. Nigga, I'm finna get on yo. Boy. I'll make you mad just like I made you mad a few minutes ago. Oh, so you really want to ride, Jaden? Ugly. Now I'm finna get on your stupid looking eye, boy. Boy, y'all be headbutting people for no reason, ugly, boy. Boy, y'all don't wear no helmet when you playing football, boy. You go head first, ugly, boy. At least I got hair, though.
It doesn't matter about hair.
I look better than you. That's your opinion.
Okay, then. You want to ask everybody else to do.
Jalen is ugly.
First kid. Here we go. Second kid. By their second kid, every parent is an expert and more likely to choose Loves than first-time parents. Loves with Nightlock Plus absorbs wetness faster than any Snug and Dry. For outstanding overnight protection
Jalen got that Mega Man head. Your head bigger than mine? How? When your head is... Don't hit me.
I try hard to get a great shape.
Couldn't play this now.
Easily. Benefiber Healthy Shape is a clear, taste-free, 100% natural daily fiber that's clinically proven to help me feel fuller longer. Benefiber
Hey, y'all.
Healthy Shape. This I can do.
This my Instagram.
Sawyer wants me to tell you that St. Jude leads how the world treats and defeats childhood cancer. And she ate ice cream. But I'm not supposed to tell that part, sorry.
Donate now at stjude.org or shop where you see the St. Jude logo.
This is my Snapchat. I'm just gonna get that on my socials. Jalen, your nose look like a turkey butt. Nigga, you look like a naked mole rat. You look like the bottom tire of your hoverboard.